But this is a good Kiddie ride. I'm going to put on my new camcorder, by the way. Why not? Here's someone's over there. Remember Jolly Roger? In 2003, I'd have lost to hit 10 pins against Chatman. You've only all this kind of now, to be honest. But I do love how a little bit loud it is, to be honest. See Scoop there, filtered, and Bob himself, by the way. Yeah, Thomas and Shaw are going off, I believe. I can hit Thomas and Shaw to chat mode, by the way. Minutes. Second ride. Yeah, I'm actually glad you can hear the theme tune on this. Sorry it's a bit hard because of that need to go over there, which I believe. Yeah, it's better over there. I've not seen my film that. I'm not too sure, actually. We'll see. They'll probably ban Laurie. Probably later on. I can hear the Bob of the theme song in this. That's quite catchy. Yeah, no, that still works. Not to mention. Hang on a minute.
What will your legacy be in your lifetime?
I'll do the last rides. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Build to the bird, Travis and Spud, playing together like good friends should. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I can't help from singing it. It sounds really catchy, the theme song. You know, just Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger.